Today, we're checking out the Air Jordan 1 Off-White UNC, an absolute grail for many sneakerheads. Let's break it down. The UNC colorway brings that classic Carolina blue and white combo, but Virgil Abloh's deconstructed design takes it to another level. From the oversized swoosh with exposed orange stitching to the iconic zip tie and off-white branding, every detail screams premium collab. We've got smooth leather and mesh uppers, combining durability with breathability. The exposed foam on the tongue adds to the raw, unfinished aesthetic that Off-White is known for. True to size is the way to go for these. The classic Air sole unit provides decent cushioning for casual wear, and they're surprisingly comfortable despite being a standout style piece. If you're looking to cop, I grabbed mine from KickWho.cc top-tier quality at a fraction of the reseller price. Use my code DECENT20 for $10 off your order. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews. See you in the next one.